Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my model of a hydraulic system. Fully automated, manual and partly automated. With a conveyor belt which is activated by the fully automated system. There are two things that are not quite alright with this system. And one of the things was once again noticed on a convention. So yes, this is an after convention video. One thing that I constantly have to take care of is the volume, or the presence rather, of the water. This model uses demineralized water in these pistons, and unfortunately the quality of these pistons are such that they are leaking water, not in the sense that the water comes out, but it evaporates, which is too bad because I need a frequent refill. The other problem is right here. I've tried to fix it in the past as well, so I need a real good solution. When it goes up and down, it just detaches from this piston, and another problem is that because of the construction somehow it misses this switch. Notice the LED or lamp, and this one is always touched, but it needs a firm makeover on that part, because the ground part, the ground plate, this one is not too rigidly attached to that ground plate, and that is noticeable when it is in operation. So somehow I need to fix everything and replace the two ground plates with one firm plate, and that reconstruction is, well, challenging, let's put it that way. But let's first see if I can fix this permanently. First thing to do is that I reconnect the piston with this. So pressing on the other side of the hydraulic system, then the piston comes up, shifting in. That's one thing. Now, and let me move the camera, you can clearly see that it is not quite aligned. So, shifting in, adjusting positions, and it is kind of aligned. So this should be working. And the only way to test it is run the program. Set and ready. Go. And this is something that I am not quite sure why this happens. There's no reason this is happening anyway, unless it has to do with the upgrade that I did on this laptop quite some time ago. Which means that Python has changed. And that is unfortunate if that would be the case. Python 2, okay, so which Python do I have? Python 3, right. And this is clearly Python 2. So that does mean that I most likely have to do some changes in the code. I did not foresee that coming. So how to solve this? And that is it for now. With a small software change because of Python itself, not even the code, part replacement and reconstruction. Then some tests, lots of tests, and well, that's it. Then I have hopefully an hydraulic system with the mineralized water, which keeps functioning as long as the water in the pistons doesn't vaporize. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell notification so you can get a warning if another video of mine is being put online. Obviously, you can support via PayPal, via Ko-fi and via Patreon. If you become a member or are a member via Patreon, then you can watch all videos in full length, or via Ko-fi also you can just buy a video. All support is welcome. My current supporters are listed on the special page of my website. See under this video. This is going to be continued on conventions also. For now, please have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.